Hey guys, today I'm going to do this pastel eye look as you see here with the Pastel Pup from Menagerie Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a pastel tutorial using the Menagerie Cosmetics Pastel Pup palette. I think they recently restocked this, so if you guys are interested in picking it up, I believe it's available. So I'm going to start with primer and concealer. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution C1 concealer. Then I'm just going to take one of my wet beauty sponges and just tap that in lightly. Then I'm going to go in with my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder just around my eyes where I put that concealer. I just do that so the color around my eyes is even, not necessarily as a sticky base or anything. I'm going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer. Just do a little of that on my lids. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Cuddle, which is this bubblegum pink shade. I'm just going to take that on a blending brush and start it towards my inner corner. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the shade Belly Slide, which is this purple. I'm just going to put that right next to the pink, blending it in. Then I'm going to go in with Ice Cap, which is this blue down here. Same thing, I'm just going to blend it into the purple. I'm just going to go back in and blend it a little better. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Potted Concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Saddleback, which is this white, and just put that over the cut crease I made. I'm just going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to go in with this whitish blue shade from the My Little Pony palette and use my finger just to put that over the white shadow. Now I'm going to go back in with Ice Cap, the blue shade over here, and focus that on my outer corner. And go back in a little bit with the purple again and the pink. Put a little bit on my inner corner. So we're working with so far. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a little more of that purple and belly slide. Just gonna vibrant this up a little bit. It doesn't look as vibrant as I'd like it to be. And a little of the blue. An Ice Cap. Then I'm going to go in again with Saddleback, which is the white shade on my brow bone area. And a little bit in my inner corner. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to go in with this KVD Beauty Brow Struck. I got this at TJ Maxx. It was like $3.50 in the shade Light Brown. It actually goes pretty well with my hair because I prefer to have darker brows than too light of brows. So I'm taking this little brow brush. I'm going to go in at the front base of my brow and lightly mark that out, and then start with the tail portion. And bring it down as low as I want to bring it down. Then I'm going to start lightly filling the top. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brow gel. Looks like this. Just comb out my brows. Brush through them real quick. Then I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution highlighter in Lunar. It's like a purpley, icy highlighter on a small brush to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. And I'm going to go in with this concealer in, what's it called? Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the color Light Beige. Just to cover my one bump on my forehead, it's discoloration. I'll put a little bit on my face. Normally I don't because I'm wearing a mask. I won't put like, cover the zits on my face or the discoloration on my face. I'm gonna go with my ColourPop pressed powder in light. It's almost done. And just go over those areas that I concealed. That's what it looks like so far. So I'm going to take the blush in Night Bloom from ColourPop and lightly dust that on my cheeks. And I'm going to use this highlighter palette. It's from Kat Von D. It's a Metal Crush. It's really old. I actually got this in 2017. And you can tell by the way it looks. I'm going to use the pink shade. Just lightly dust that on as well. A bit on my nose. And I'm going to use the lip shade from Essence in Perfect Match in the matte range. It just looks like this. It's like a muted cool tone pink. I'm going to use this eyeliner in Crybaby from ColourPop. So this is the final look. I didn't go too heavy on the face makeup because I'm gonna wear a mask. Let me know, have you guys used less of your makeup and bought less makeup since having to wear a mask for the last year? For me, my makeup consumption has gone down so much that I guess it's a good thing. It's a good thing, but I miss wearing like face makeup all the time and lipstick. I don't ever wear lipstick because it's gonna come off with the mask. I'll wear lipstick like around the house sometimes, but I'm getting nowhere near as much use as I used to because I wear lipstick on a daily basis. So yeah, that's the finished look. I went a little higher on the blush here so you can see it under the mask. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see tutorials with any of the palettes that I own. I'm actually going to do a palette collection video. I'm going to film it today. So then you guys know what I have so you can request certain eye looks or tutorials with certain palettes. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.